In this quick video, you're going to learn 5 key steps on how to overwinter hot pepper plants, such as jalapeno or cayenne peppers. By overwintering hot pepper plants, you'll be able to harvest peppers in early spring in cool weather environments, have much higher yields, and have little to no work the following year. This is Tim, and welcome to Organic Backyard Gardening. The first step is to grow your seedlings in early spring in grow bags. Especially in cool temperature areas, grow bags allow for the roots to warm up quicker. They also allow air to get into the root system. And for easy transplanting into a more permanent pot, which you'll be taking indoors at the end of the year. I really like using smart pots, and I'll put a link in the description below. Check out the differences in this cayenne pepper here in the smart pot versus the same cayenne pepper planted in my raised bed. The cayenne peppers in the smart pot are doing much better and have much larger yields. When preparing soil for your grow bags, use compost. Also add perlite to keep moisture in the soil and vermiculite to add air for the roots. This is an example of a mixture that I made for some recent hops. You'll want to make sure that it's mixed very well. Step 2. After you enjoyed peppers throughout your summer season, you'll want to trim and transplant the pepper plants. You'll need to trim the plants, leaving major branches and some leaves. You'll then transplant them into a larger pot using compost. Step 3. Bring the plant inside and place it in a south-facing window. Make sure it does get plenty of sunlight. It will not do much growing over the winter, and it will go slightly dormant. However, make sure it gets enough water. You will not need to fertilize it during the winter. Step 4. A few weeks after your last expected frost date in your grow zone, you can start to take your plant outside and expose it to the outdoor elements. But don't give it too much direct sunlight at first, and take it out gradually, starting with a few hours a day. Basically, follow the same methods that you would as to hardening off seedlings. Step 5. As soon as late winter, you'll start to see flowering and small peppers. When you do take the plant out, add some compost to the top of the pot. Over the first couple weeks, I'll add fish and seaweed fertilizer. This will help the plant start producing again. I'll put a link to where you can find this product in the description below. I had excellent results with this method this year. Before I talk about my results, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more organic backyard gardening videos. So this year, I started harvesting peppers in March. This one plant gave me over 75 jalapeno peppers, and these peppers are huge. They're much larger than they were the first year. I plan on taking this pepper plant inside again this year, and I'm also going to overwinter some cayenne peppers for similar results. This is a great way to enjoy your plants year after year without doing very much work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos.